got. Finally finished my hair done. The cardigan fits earlier today. Good morning. This is a good one. So you know it's a good one when the hair like wraps really well around the prong. Makeup and hair done. It's my second last class for the year, which is crazy. But yeah, so I wanted to keep it like very natural today. Okay, let's find an outfit. My order came recently. I've been dying to get this. It's from Love Shack Fancy. I was on Pinterest and I saw this outfit on a girl and I had to hunt it down, and I somehow found the TikTok, and her TikTok was like viral, so it totally makes sense because I saw this dress and I was like, I want this. But it has like these stripes and it's a little bit sparkly, and that's the cardigan, but this is the real showstopper, which is this dress. Look at that. Is this not a showstopper? The cardigan fits perfectly. The inside also fits perfectly. I'm gonna decide later, but I'm gonna wear it for now. Time to put on my jewelry for today. These are my cutie little earrings. How cute is this? My Marquise ring. My sister got me into this cut. And my little tennis bracelet. How cute is that? Now let's go find my perfume for the day. This is my current perfume stash. These are some new additions from L'Occitane. Okay, I'm gonna choose between these two. Like this one. It's like a cherry floral flavor. I like to do my wrist. It smells great. I love it. I think I'm ready for the day. Before I head off, I want to talk to you guys about today's sponsor, Linea. You know when you find something that feels just right? That's exactly how I felt when I found Linea. I have pieces from them, I've worked with them before, and I am obsessed. Their name Linea means lions in Norwegian, and that simple elegance really sums up everything about them. So Linea create luxury quality jewelry at fair prices. They're also made with recycled gold and silver, so they are made to last. They're all about sustainability and transparency. No heavy markups, no fast fashion, just beautiful pieces that are meant to be worn every single day. So these are the pieces that I've been wearing. So first of all, I have these Ella chain earrings. They have this very effortless and elegant movement. They look very dainty but put together, which is why I love these for every day. These are one of my new favorites. I also have the Audrey tennis bracelet, which is so classic and sparkly, but still subtle enough to wear every single day. I like that it's quite like a dainty like tennis bracelet. It's not like anything too intense. And this is the Adelaide Marquise ring, which my sister's gotten me into this cut recently, and she said that it's very slimming for my hands, which I agree. I feel like it really does elongate my fingers. So this has a beautiful Marquise cut stone, which you can see right here, and it catches the light perfectly. So all three of these pieces are made with gold vermil, which means that they're crafted with a solid sterling silver base that is coated in a thick layer of 22 karat gold. This is 5 times thicker than any regular gold plating. So they're gonna last and stay bright even with everyday use. If you want to discover more of their designs, I'll have a link down below so you guys can go discover Linea for yourself. They have thoughtful designs and lasting beauty. Blueberries.
Okay.
Caramel apples and I think cookies. I just sifted together the flour, and I need a teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of, how much baking powder? 1 teaspoon. Found my cornstarch. 1 teaspoon. 1. And then what do we want to do after this point? They said Gradually fold the dry ingredients, stirring just until combined. Do not overmix. Okay, I have 2 batches of these cookies and I'm gonna put them in the oven now. This will take about like maybe 10 minutes to bake. Okay, let's put the first one in. Amazing. This is my meal prep for today. I've just done cucumbers with chili sauce, and then I just have really lean beef rolls, and then I've just seasoned it with some steak salt and then also some rice here. I have the cream cheese, and then over here I have the caramel, which I need to heat up again because it's hardening. We have the cookie. Oh my god, it smells really good. Actually smells really delicious. Okay, and I'm gonna put the cream on it. I'm gonna do a dollop of that, and then we'll do some of the caramel as well. This is how much I'm gonna put on. I have all of the cream cheese on the cookies now, and now I'm gonna put on the caramel. Noreen, can we not do this right now? She's like coming onto the table. The most inconvenient time. No. No. Finally finished my batch. I'm gonna box them up and then we're gonna go. Uniforms. My box of goodies. My friend Grace made a special request for a candy apple, which I actually managed to make. Candy apple right there, and then we have a box of cookies. Okay, I gotta go. Best I got. Oh, the vibe today is actually quite nice.
That's why. Oh my god, can you send me?
Okay.
Something. It's so annoying.
And then the hair is flying. We just walk.
Yeah, let's go.
And then Grace. Yay!
Good morning. Hi, from my little man. Hi. Hi. Look at this cute guy. Oh. He loves the morning cuddles. Hey, don't chase your sister. Hey, stop squaring him up. Stop squaring Mitts up. This is Louis and Mitt's entire relationship. Mitts just whacks him and then he's like shocked. Nice, Louis, nice. Louis, down. 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 Hey.
I just got a package in the mail and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. I bought this late one night while I was about to go to sleep, and this is the worst time to buy anything because it's just never a good idea to buy things when you're sleeping. This, I saw it and it was on sale and I was like, I need to get it. It's from this brand called Twin Set, which I've never heard of before, but it's really cute. It's got this like little love heart logo, and I realized I really like halter tops on me. It's just something that I like, the silhouette and how it looks, and I love navy. Navy's like my favorite color to wear. So yeah, but look at the detail. There's like these flowers on like the halter, and I just thought this is just really cute and casual, especially for summertime, like something to throw on. Especially, I don't like wearing anything tight these days. If I do, like, I really have to feel like am ready to commit that day for something tight. But generally speaking, I like wearing really like comfy, loose fitted clothes just because, I don't know, I think it's like when you grow up, you just want to be comfortable. So yeah, I got this. Okay, I'm heading out because I need to go run some errands, get some Christmas things, and just do a little browse because I haven't done that in a while. Also, I'm just wearing this dress from Ralph Lauren. My bag is Charles & Keith. I have my jewelry stack. I got this pair of jeans, 2 more jeans there, and then these 2 tops. This one and this one. I really want a pair of white jeans. I just made it back home and I'm about to go to the gym to do a 30 minutes on the Stairmaster because I've been told by everyone I just mean my friend Reb and my sister. I'm done with the gym. Oh my god, I feel pretty good about myself. I was only going to do 20 minutes and then I ended up doing 30 minutes on the Stairmaster and I walked 100 stairs at a level 7. I'm dying. Hi Nubs. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I bought earlier today, which I was not planning on buying anything, okay? I did not set my sights on buying anything. I was just going to go for a browse. I was actually looking for Christmas decorations. Didn't find any Christmas decorations, but I did find some pieces that I've really been liking. I was kind of on the hunt, subconsciously on the hunt for some jeans, and I found this pair of Glassons, and they are the low-rise ones. Low-rise, wide leg. I got a size 6, and these jeans, I have these in other colors, and honestly, these are still one of my favorite jeans I have found just because the cut's really nice, they're really comfortable, and they're also like really good price. It's really like affordable. So I love these jeans. $59.99. And then I went to Zara and I got some stuff, which it's so funny. I used to never be able to find anything in Zara, but now, like more recently, I have. So yeah, been loving what they've got. So I got this black little slip top. And I like that it has the adjustable straps because some of the tops don't have that, and it's really annoying when they don't because I'm like, how am I supposed to wear this top? Happy that this has adjustable straps, and you can't really see right now, but there's like this little lace detailing at the front. So I think it's just like really elegant, kind of chic. And then I got this dress over here. This I saw when I first walked in and I was like, oh my god, I need this. It's just this little white dress. And it has a little halter neck, and then it just cinches in and then it goes out. So super nice, backless little mini dress. These are like my first pair of Zara jeans, I'm pretty sure, but I am obsessed with these. So these are I think they call it a tailored cut. Yeah, the ZW tailored wide leg. I got a size 34. These fit like comfortably, if that makes sense. I feel like a 32 would have fit me, but it would have been tight. I'm not about that anymore these days. I just want to be comfortable. So I got a white pair, and these like super high-waisted, by the way, but I like how high-waisted it is, if that makes sense, because it feels like more comfortable than it's sitting like either like too low or in the middle. I feel like in the middle I hate in jeans because it feels like it's like pushing into my tummy. Like I rather it just cover my whole tummy. So yeah, this covers my whole tummy, and it actually sits really well at like the base of my legs. So really love this, and it has this like stripe detailing down the middle. And then I also got the same exact jean in this dark wash denim, and I love dark wash denim. I don't really like any light washes. If I do like a medium wash, but I'm not really like a light denim girl. I like dark wash though, so these are really nice, and I feel like this will go with like a lot of like different tops and things and make it look really like put together. I feel like I'm really getting like the end of term energy where I'm just like exhausted, like I'm so tired, like just let it end please. Quick little reading update, because this is what I'm going to be doing later tonight. I am halfway through Love Theoretically, Love Theoretically, and it's really good. Like, I feel like so much has happened and it's only 50% way through the book, and also like I like how the romance has developed, and I feel like there's like a sense of yearning, like really strong yearning from like the male end, which I really enjoy reading personally, because I'm like, oh my god, like it's nice when somebody wants you, you know what I mean? So anyways, highly recommend this book. But yeah, anyways, I love you guys, and I'm probably gonna call it a night.